Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it's 22 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can tap on this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. Of course, you will be able to tap on the specific day to check the details. And under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the time I've spent on them. You've got also notifications and unlocks count. Here you can also set the screen time goal, so you can manage your screen time. You can also use app timers. So for example, you can set a timer here. You can add the name of it, not the number, the name. You can also change the icon, so as you can see, a lot of customization. You can add a schedule, so you can choose specific days and specific time, for example, something like that. And tap on save. And as you can see, we just set it for 22 hours, almost 23 hours, which means that we can use the camera for almost 23 hours a day. Obviously, it's not possible, I believe. So let me just set maybe something more normal. Let's say almost 2 hours. And as you can see, we've got almost 2 hours left of the usage of the camera, and the timer will reset at midnight. So the next day you will still be able to use it for 1 hour and 54 minutes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.